Attraction isn't about looks. It's about what your behavior tells her mind. There are a few psychological signals that make any man stand out instantly, and most guys never realize it. Before you even speak, she's already made a decision about you. Within seconds, her subconscious is scanning your posture, your tone, and your confidence. Attraction isn't about looks, it's about energy. If you walk into a room like you belong there, people feel it. The truth is, confidence is contagious. Women don't just notice how you look, they notice how you make them feel in your presence. So when you smile, when your eyes meet hers and you don't look away too quickly, her brain fires off signals of curiosity and trust. That's chemistry, created before a single word is spoken. Remember, attraction doesn't start with what you say. It starts with what you believe about yourself. Walk with quiet certainty, not arrogance, and she'll feel that difference instantly. There's something rare about a man who doesn't rush to impress. When he speaks slowly, moves deliberately, and listens fully, women notice. Why? Because a masculine calm triggers feminine safety. Her nervous system relaxes around your grounded energy. That's not manipulation, that's connection. Most men chase attention. Few create presence. When your energy says, I don't need to prove myself, her attraction rises automatically. It's not about words or pickup tricks. It's about your state. Calm energy shows emotional control, and emotional control feels powerful. So next time you talk to her, slow down. Let your silence speak confidence. That's how she starts to feel something real. Women are drawn to mystery, not confusion. When you keep every detail of your life exposed, you remove the curiosity that fuels attraction. Mystery isn't about playing games. It's about holding something back, letting her discover layers of you over time. The male brain wants logic. The female brain craves emotional discovery. When she senses depth, when she realizes there's more to you than meets the eye, her interest intensifies. So stop oversharing. Let your silence tell stories. Make her wonder about you instead of trying to explain yourself. Remember, mystery creates a magnetic pull, not because you're hiding something, but because you're living something worth discovering. It's not the joke itself, it's the energy behind it. When you can make her laugh, even in subtle ways, her body releases oxytocin, the same chemical that bonds people emotionally. A man who can make her smile shows emotional intelligence. He's comfortable enough to play, to tease, to lighten the moment. Humor shows confidence without arrogance. It tells her, I'm not trying too hard. I'm enjoying the moment. So next time, don't force a laugh or memorize pickup lines. Just be present and playful. If she feels lighter around you, she'll want more of that feeling. Remember, women fall for how you make them feel, not how perfectly you perform. When your eyes meet hers, don't flinch. Most men look away too fast because they're afraid of being seen. But that split second of held eye contact, that's electric. It's not about staring. It's about communicating presence without words. Neuroscience shows that mutual gaze activates attraction centers in the brain. It triggers vulnerability, curiosity, and emotional chemistry. So the next time she looks at you, don't rush. Hold that gaze for a second longer than comfortable. Let the silence build tension. Confidence isn't loud, it's still. And sometimes, attraction begins in that stillness. You don't need to say, I'm confident. It should be felt. The way you walk, the way you take up space, how you hold your drink, how you pause before answering. It all communicates value. Subconsciously, women pick up micro signals, body alignment, breath rhythm, even how often you check your phone. When you're grounded, fully in the moment, your energy says, I'm enough. And that's what she feels drawn to. Confidence isn't taught, it's remembered. You already have it when you stop pretending. So stop chasing validation and start embodying certainty. Attraction dies where chaos lives. Women feel safe around emotional stability. A man who doesn't lose himself when things don't go his way. When you stay composed under pressure, she notices, because it signals strength, maturity, and leadership, traits deeply wired into female attraction psychology. You don't have to suppress emotions, just master them. Respond, don't react. Breathe before you speak. That calmness, it's magnetic. A woman will always be drawn to the man who can make her feel steady, even when the world isn't. When a man has direction, it shows. Women sense it instantly. Purpose gives you energy, and energy gives you charisma. It's not about money or status, it's about mission. A man who wakes up with something to build radiates passion, and passion is attractive. It's what makes her look at you differently. So stop chasing women. Chase purpose. When you move with the focus and conviction, women will naturally move towards you. Your words matter less than your body says. Women notice how you lean in, how you gesture, how you breathe. A confident posture with open shoulders and relaxed movements creates nonverbal attraction. When your body speaks ease, her mind feels safety. Avoid fidgeting. Avoid over-trying. Attraction is energy transfer. If you're grounded, she'll feel grounded too. Move like a man who's at peace, not like one seeking approval. Sometimes, attraction happens before she's even aware of it. It's in the rhythm of your voice, the warmth of your smile, the calmness in your tone. Her subconscious scans thousands of microcues and forms an emotional impression long before logic kicks in. So, be intentional. Speak slowly. Smile genuinely. Listen deeply. You don't need to chase attention. You just need to deserve it. Because when your energy feels right, she won't even know why she's drawn to you. Only that she is.